Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I'm here with a video. I just got off of a live with Mrs. Gigi where we do on her channel Friends Day on a Wednesday, and we do 2 rounds of prompts and to see what it comes up, okay? So, on this one for today, August 18th, 2021, we did round 1, which was die cut flowers. We had a wild card, which I chose to do a napkin. Then we have bubble wrap, which I used as a stamp to stamp all the way around. Here's my die cut flowers. An ornament. I drew like scrolls and some wiggly lines and some little ornaments that have like they're hanging from something. Gesso, which I didn't have in my craft room, so I asked for an alternate, which was marker. I took a yellow marker, colored in the ornaments, and then I outlined the bubble wrap bubbles that I stamped on here. Scrapbook paper. We have scrapbook paper here. And last one was pink, which I did a boo-boo. I have pink in the napkin here, so this is like a pinkish purple here, so I put that on there. And for round 2, here's my round 2. First was a napkin, which I did the same napkin I did here on this side. And then we had red, which I did red flowers and red stamp pad. Then we had fabric, which I took some tulle here and glued it on. Then we had hearts. I drew in a few hearts. You can't, there's a few more on here, but you can't see them here, and one somewhere in here, but I can't find it because I can't even see it. So, you know, and then we had the word calendar, but I asked for an alternate. So it was ink in your favorite color. I put red, which is one of my favorite colors. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to overdo the picture. And then we had your gold, the color gold, or yarn as an alternate. I couldn't find my yarn, so I put some twine here for my yarn. And then we had a painting paper, which I used some dyed paper for my painting paper because it's dyed, and you know, it looks like a painting paper without the paint. So that is my round 2, and this is round 1. So I got the idea from Mrs. Gigi to make a little book. So I'm gonna start making a little book for all of my lives with her. Okay, so that's that. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a new video or any type of content. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And please be safe. Stay safe. Be crafty. Stay crafty. Be blessed. Be kind. And bye-bye for now, crafty angels.